Right into this world, all alone.
I'm out of here tomorrow. Don't worry, I'm setting it up.
What the fuck is this?
Listen, Chuck, he's got a couple of issues. It's a nervous tick kind of a thing.
Ticks we can deal with.
You sure about that? Just out of curiosity, I would have asked what those ticks are.
The answer is no.
His kid's band is playing tomorrow night. His father's never seen him play. It's for April's kids.
Jesus.
We're not that charitable.
Hey, I'm very charitable.
I know, darling.
Again, not that charitable.
You know what? I'll put it up for a vote, but it's not gonna pass.
Now that you said that, I bet it will.
Not as good at this as Grandma.
This dude again.
It's a beautiful boy.
Thanks.
The fuck? You're on the watch list from now on, dude.
I figured I'd throw it up for a vote.
Let him come.
You serious?
This can't be
You're
about
a big
me,
man.
Not at the school.
It's not about that.
Not just literally, even figuratively.
Hey, you all better be at that fundraiser tomorrow, unless you want a size 9 high heel boot up your ass.
You coming?
I'd rather have my balls cut off. What? Too soon for that joke?
Let me back in. Let me back in. That's just racist.
Thank you, guys. Really?
Don't touch that hand, guys. Oh, if you only knew.
How much I appreciate you helping me out.
There it goes.
That's why you're here? You're trying to buy us back? Told us in one of your bullshit schemes? It's not bullshit. Okay, I want to share this with you guys.
Off to a great start.
You really got 400,000 stashed away, huh, Chucky?
416,000.
Jesus.
Lynn was real sloppy with his money. Arrogant, wasteful prick. There was so much of it, too. Counterfeiting, prostitution.
I wonder, does he even realize he's doing it?
The hand on the dick.
Man, he's really deep in there.
I'm sorry, man.
Oh, so he doesn't realize it.
You know, I used to have that, and then I turned 13.
I don't give a shit about your childhood trauma. If I see your hand dancing your pants one more time, I'm gonna tie you up and I'm gonna throw you in the goddamn closet. Are we clear?
Accept that.
Just put a lock on his pants. Maybe that will work. It worked in the Middle Ages, but usually on women.
I just wanted to give you a heads up, let you know I'm in town, here on ATF business.
What business?
I think she knew already you're here.
That restraining order is still in effect. You come near my house or you come to my work again and I will file a police.
Okay. Actually, my federal jurisdiction takes precedence over state-ordered mandates. But I understand how you feel.
Well then, piss off. Out of my sight, you sicko. I don't even know what you did, but I just assume you are sick.
Want to try the egg toss?
We're not so good at catching.
What
Me neither.
are you good at?
Give it a shot, see how it goes.
Besides looking depressed all the time.
You think he's happy?
Kinda looks like it. Despite the egg. Oh, he's still having the tattoo, huh?
Still has that tat.
Yeah.
But for how long?
This is me.
Shit.
I'll meet you outside, all right? I'll get the rest of your stuff later. Okay, Dad.
His teenage son looks like he's in his 20s.
I wanted to come up to Chino to try to explain what happened.
But you didn't.
Coming up on family day didn't feel right. You know, taking time away from Donna and the kids.
Oh, why did they cut?
See, you two have been talking.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh, don't
Can you sing
start.
Clay?
Don't start, dude. Not now.
Hello.
Not with the women around. You're lucky she didn't call the cops. Oh, they know where you are now.
Get your stuff now.
Is that wise? Now!
Bluebeam.
Just lead them to the money and then die.
Chinese?
No, it's the hand job police. Call the guys. We gotta do this thing now, and it could get messy.
This is getting old, dude.
Well, that fried shit's gonna kill you.
Yeah, because the cancer's keeping you fit and spunky.
Oh, one of these days, she will know what's going on.
That's our new best friend, Agent Cohn, ATF.
The Fed looking into the club is grilling sausages?
Must be part of his special federal training. Good chili.
Well, there you go. Now she knows his face and what he's doing.
Who's that guy with the cops?
It's your ATF guy.
That guy was at the hospital last night watching me with Abel. That's dangerous, bro. Shit. Well, you keep an eye on him. He follows us out of here.
That guy is such a smart bastard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Always having that little grin on his face.
Is this really necessary?
Yeah, it is.
I call cops. You ruined my kitchen. Crazy knife man.
Down the side.
Crazy knife, man.
You pay for damage. You go to jail.
What?
You crazy man.
Shut up.
There you go.
These are plates for a 20.
This shit's counterfeit?
It's not shit. It's really good. These bills will pass anyway.
God damn it.
I had a deal with Big Otto. Kept my end of the bargain.
Pleasure. See you, Chucky.
Clay, please, Clay, please, Clay, they're gonna cut me up into little pieces. I do not accept this.
I shouldn't have lied, dude.
How'd it go with the Chinese?
Not too good.
But where's Chucky?
That's the upside.
Do they want to get rid of him for good?
You tell Kyle about the knucklehead?
It looks like they're planning something here.
What is this? Take your shirt off.
Oh, it's about the tattoo, okay.
Why'd you?
Take it off!
So what are they going to do? Cut it out?
Fire or knife?
Answer him. Jax.
I don't even know. Probably knife? That guy with the guitar was blocking his face. Oh, that was such a poor shot. Come on, guys. Jesus. Cutting would have been faster, I think. This makes me hungry. No reading today? Up until this episode there was always a voiceover of him reading that diary or whatever it is. But not today. What does that mean?